Welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand nested if condition in Python. In our last class, we clearly discussed about if-else statement in Python. Please watch that class and come back here. So coming to how we are going to write if-else statement, if this condition is true. See, you need to execute some code if this condition is true. That code you have to write inside the body of the if condition. So this is what the body of if condition. If this condition is true, this code has to be executed. Else, the body of else has to be written like this. So we need to follow indentation. If this condition is true, indentation follows. Whatever you write here, this is what body of the if, means code that belongs to if. Suppose now try to understand what is nested if. Inside the body of this if or inside the body of this else, you can write any code according to the logic required for your requirement. You have to write the code. Suppose if you want to do expressions, if you want to write print statement, whatever you want to write, you can write. Here we have written print student name, and inside the body of this if, we have again written if-else condition. This is what? If inside the if, we call it as nested if condition. And you need to understand the scenarios where it is very important that we can write some logic only based on this nested if condition. If you understand that, you will understand the importance of nested if. With this example, you will get clarity why it is very important. Some situations, definitely you have to use nested if. Try to understand this example. If student in students list, so the condition you are going to check here is if the student belongs to our students list, means he belongs to our student. That is the condition you are going to check here. If that happens, then only execute this code. Otherwise, go to else, print not a student. If he belongs to our student, then go inside, print his name, student name. Then again check the condition. If student has written the grades, means he attempted the list, he attempted the exam and he got some grade. Student in grades list. If this condition is met, this condition you are going to check. If he is a student, then only you are going to check this condition. Otherwise, no need. That's why if inside the if, this is what we call it as nested if. In this scenario, we can write only nested if statement, because you have to check this student in grades list only if he is a student. If student in grades list, then print his score. Otherwise, print not written the exam. In the first if condition, if he is not a student, else print not a student. This is what the importance of if inside the if condition, nested if condition. And you need to, most of them will get confused here in Python, you have to follow the indentation. If in the same column, else has to, this else belongs to this if. And some gap, indentation, whatever you write here, this belongs to body of this if. And inside this if, student in grades list, again indentation, follow some space, because this statement belongs to body of this inner if. In the same line, else, this else belongs to this if. Else, print not written. This is the indentation you have to follow. Otherwise, Python compiler will get confused and it is not going to execute your code. It is going to give you syntax mistakes. Hope you got good clarity about what is meant by nested if and when we are going to use nested if. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.